Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Remitly app. You click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.